shubhodayam.com. You must have seen on the television or have read reports in the press that Honorable High Court Allahabad has ordered the demolition of two superstructures, two tall towers of the project Supertech Emerald Court in Noida. We are not going to discuss here legal implications of this matter, but as a Vastu expert, as a Feng Shui expert, we are going to analyze the Vastu angle of this project, Feng Shui angle of this project. We are going to see whether there is any implication of Vastu on this project. In the first edition of this video, we will discuss Vastu implications, and in the second edition, we will discuss Feng Shui implications. Because at the subtle level, they are same, but at the gross level, they appear to be different. That's why we are choosing two editions. In the first edition, we will discuss Vastu angle. As you can see on the screen, this is the photograph of the Supertech Emerald Court project in Noida. On the top, this is north direction, down south direction. On the left side is the west direction and the right side east direction. Here, where my cursor is flying, these are the two towers, the demolition of which has been ordered by the Honorable Allahabad High Court. These two towers have been constructed in the northwest zone called Vayabhya in the Vastu. Although there are some minor Vastu defaults in this project, but this was the last straw on the ship. Although there are 15 other towers which are whose heights are only 9 to 10 floors, these two towers have been constructed at 40 floors, 40. And in the northwest zone, Vayabhya zone, construction of these two towers have created great imbalance of Vayu element. Vayabhya direction, Vayu element is indicator of the communication. Vayu, air, is the cause of communication. If you create imbalance in this direction, the communication stops immediately. Now, Supertech builder is saying the Honorable High Court didn't see our plea. Noida Authority, who is representing the system, government system, who had given the permission to construct these two towers, they are saying Allahabad High Court didn't hear us. Now both the two parties are going to Supreme Court pleading their arguments. But had they taken Vastu consultancy before constructing, before giving permission to these two towers, I don't think this problem must have arisen. It is very unfortunate. I am saying with great pain that a lot of builders take consultation from us for their own homes, or their farmhouses, and there are so many things. But when the question comes up, projects, big projects, where thousands of persons are going to live, they don't consult at all. I don't know why. They go to some Panditji or some gentleman or woman who has done hobby course of some days of Vastu, or who have gone through only Vastu guides in the name of knowledge of Vastu. How can you expect? If you do not go to a quack for your medical treatment, why you go to these quacks who have half-baked knowledge in the name of Vastu for such a big projects. Had he consulted before constructing these flats, certainly I believe no such problem have cropped up. If you are constructing a big tower in northwest, in Bombay zone, first thing you will lose the support, you will lose the communication, there will be miscommunication with others and about you. And it happened. What can he do? Now what can builder do? Yes, they may take shelter, they may take consultation of some Vastu consultant and see what can be done. This was the analysis of the project as per Vastu canons, and the next episode will discuss as per Feng Shui canons, dictum of Feng Shui. Namaskar, astrodevam.com.
For more information, contact astrodevam.com, Sector 18, Noida, Delhi NCR, India. Our office number is 012042333339. Our helpline number is 09650511113. You may also mail at astro@astrodevam.com.